Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is Samsung Soundbar. Before I start, I want to say a massive thank you to those of you guys who subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you. It means so much. It helps this channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do me a massive favor. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Samsung Soundbar, S50b soundbar. This soundbar got center speakers. What we want to do is we want to unbox this soundbar. This soundbar is with DTS surround system. What we want to do is check it out. But before we do that, just want to tell you a bit of information about this soundbar. This soundbar is a lifestyle series soundbar from Samsung. It's AI optimized. The sound beautiful as it looks. Can connect this with your phone, TV, simply and wirelessly via Bluetooth and multi-connection. Can connect it to your TV via optical cable, which work with compatible Samsung TV and allow TV and soundbar to work in harmony for truly immersive surround sound experience. This soundbar is compatible with Samsung subwoofer and wireless rear speaker kit as well. 3D sound technology projects sound over and around you, making for more immersive experience. Dolby sound technology, 3-channel built-in active amplifier. Okay, so now let's check this stuff out. Nice packaging. This is what it looks like. Nice. Wow, this is it's quite heavy. Look at that. And see what it looks like. Beautiful, very nice and sleek. Very compact. See what it looks like. And this got center speakers, 3 channels, and inside here is the packaging, remote control, power cables, and the wall mount. AAA battery. This information pack. So this is wall mount. To mount it. This is nice soundbar. So this is the remote control. So we're going to set this up. So the batteries goes, the negative goes to the negative end of it. Okay. So the way this power cable, okay, goes into this one for you to be able to set this up. So push it inside, okay, and this one goes into the soundbar. Okay, now this soundbar from the back here, you see the optical cable goes into digital audio, okay, and the HDMI ARC goes in here. Now this is DC, in the power cable goes in here, and also you got USB, okay, USB port for here as well, okay. So push it inside this end. Now plug it onto the socket. If you haven't got the remote control, you can also still control this soundbar from the top here. You can switch it on and off. This button here is for you to reduce the volume. This button here is for you to increase the volume, the one that got plus. Now this one is the input for you to select from Bluetooth to optical cable or HDMI ARC. This soundbar is nice and decent. Just gonna measure this from this end to here is 68 centimeter, and the width is 11 centimeter or 10.5 centimeter. 10.5 centimeter. Okay. So this is the overview of this soundbar. It's not heavy, it's nice. This one also got like a plastic cover in front of it. Let's see what it looks like. It's decent, nice. See what it looks like. Now to hook this up, first of all, what you need to do, you need to unplug the soundbar. Once you unplug it, then you need to use the optical cable, plug it in where it's written digital audio in optical. Okay, so push the optical cable inside it. Okay, you can see the cable is in. Now we need to connect this using LG TV. So you can hook this up with any particular TV. Okay, so from your TV you need to go to where it's written optical in, digital audio out. Okay, so you put the other cable. You can see it's in. So the cable is in. So it's in, optical cable in. Okay, now the next thing to do is you need to also remember to plug in the antenna. Okay, so now we're going to turn this around. Okay, so what we need to do now is you need to plug in the soundbar and also plug in the TV. Okay, so this is 32 inches LG TV, but you can connect this with any other TV. So now what we need to do is we need to switch on the TV and the soundbar. So switch the soundbar on first. When you switch it on, you see a light will be showing on top. So you need to select the input
USB.
USB.
Digital audio in.
Digital audio in. Okay, so this is digital audio in. You need to make sure that it's in digital audio in. Okay, now the next thing to do is we need to switch the TV on. So now
this morning, as you would
this is the TV.
imagine, we were swimming in calls.
So we go to the TV settings. So when you select the TV settings, you need to scroll down to the sound. You can see TV speaker.
Incredibly.
So this is TV speaker. Okay. So now what we need to do, we need to select the speaker. Select on the speaker. Scroll. Use the side button to go to optical. Scroll down to the optical. This is optical device. Select on it. Okay, so now this soundbar is connected, and when it's connected, you won't be able to increase the volume using the TV remote. So you need to increase the volume using remote control for the soundbar. Okay, so this is the
triggering aspect.
This is the
almost pressed, trying to take photos of the car.
This is the audio.
When the cars were stationary, trying to
exposing social media hackers. Text will be charged.
This is the audio.
Standard message rate. Visit bbc.co.uk/5live terms for our terms of use.
Show you how to connect this to your TV via Bluetooth, and to do this, we need to switch the soundbar off and unplug the optical cable. So I'm just gonna remove the optical cable. Okay. So this is the optical cable. Okay. Just gonna put it. So now we need to plug the soundbar in. Okay. And plug the TV in. Okay. Now switch the soundbar on. When you switch it on, the light will be here. So you need to use the input, or you select this button here is for input. Select the input.
Bluetooth.
You can see it's gone into Bluetooth. Select pairing.
Ready to connect via Bluetooth.
Okay, ready to connect via Bluetooth. So the next thing we need to do now is, and you can see it's flashing here. The Bluetooth is flashing. Once it's connected, it will be a steady blue light. So switch the TV on. Now go to your TV settings. Select TV settings. Scroll down to the sound. Select the sound. You can see it's in optical out device. So we need to go back again to select Bluetooth device from this. Okay, scroll to the Bluetooth. Now scroll down to device and search for devices, and it's going to start to search for available device. Okay. Now we need to scroll down. Here we go. You can see Samsung. So you picked up Samsung Soundbar C series. So select on it, and it's connecting. It's connected. So when this is in Bluetooth, okay, if you connect it in Bluetooth, you're able to control this using the two remote controls. So thank you very much, guys. Stay blessed. Thank you. This is how to hook this up to Bluetooth device. Thank you.